Welcome back, students. Now we see question number 10. For which value of m is x plus 3 a factor of the polynomial x cube minus 2mx plus 21. Now x plus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial that is already given to us. So let us see how to solve this. You will write x plus 3 is a factor, x plus 3 is a factor of p of x equals to x cube minus 2mx plus 21. So therefore by factor theorem, what you will get? P of minus 3 equals to 0. X plus 3 will become minus 3. P of minus 3 is equal to 0. So P of x is equal to x cube minus 2mx plus 21. So wherever there is x, you put the value minus 3. So P of minus 3 will become minus 3 cube minus 2m into minus 3 plus 21. So therefore 0 equals to minus 27 plus 6m plus 21. So therefore 0 equals to, this will become minus 6 plus 6m. Now when you take this minus 6 over here, what you will get? Plus 6. So 6 will be equal to 6m. Therefore m value will be equal to 1. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to you all. Now the next one, sum number 12. The polynomials are given and they are divided by the other polynomial x minus 3 and the remainders are m and n respectively. If m minus n is equal to 0, then find the value of b. Now let us see how to find the value of b. Over here, dividend polynomial p of x is equal to bx square plus x plus 5 and the divisor is given as x minus 3. Divisor is equal to x minus 3. So you minus 3 you will take as x is equal to 3. Its opposite you will take. So p of x is equal to bx square plus x plus 5. Wherever there is x, put the value 3. So p of 3 is equal to b into 3 square plus 3 plus 5, which will be equal to 9b plus 8. Your remainder is given to be m. Take this as equation number 1. Now, also they have given dividend polynomial p of x is equal to bx cube minus 2x plus 5. So over here you will get, they have also given divisor is equal to x minus 3. So you will take it to be x is equal to 3. Now write the p of x. P of x is equal to bx cube, the second one. Bx cube minus 2x plus 5. Wherever there is x, put the value 3. In place of x, put the value 3. So p of 3 is equal to b into 3 cube minus 2 into 3 plus 5. It will become 27b minus 6 plus 5. So it will become 27b minus 1, and the remainder over here is n. Take this as equation number 2. Now m minus n is equal to 0. This is given to us. We are given over here that m minus n is equal to 0. So when you from the both the polynomials, you will get 9b plus 8 minus 27b minus 1 is equal to 0. This is from 1 and 2 what you will get. So you over here you will get 9b plus 8 minus 27b plus 1, minus minus becomes plus 1 equals to 0. 9b minus 27b is equal to minus 8 minus 1. I have taken 8 and 1 that side, so it will become minus 8 minus 1. So therefore b is equal to minus 9 upon minus 18. So therefore b is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the value of b which they are asked. So b value is 1 upon 2. I hope the sum is clear to you all. Now the next sum. Simplify. Simplify these equations. They have given the equations. We have written it as it is, and let us see how to simplify the equations. So first step is remove the brackets. The brackets are given over here. You will remove those brackets. So let us see what you get when you remove the brackets. You will get 8m cube plus 3m square plus 3m minus 8m cube plus 3m minus 6 minus 9m plus 7 plus 3m square minus 2m plus 4. This is what you will get. Now when you collect the like terms together, what you will get is 8m square plus 3m square plus 3m minus 9m minus 2m minus 6 plus 7 plus 4. So all the m square m terms I have taken together. So here your 8 plus 3 will give you 11. So that will become 11m square minus 8m plus 5. Now question number 14. Which polynomial is to be subtracted from this polynomial to get the polynomial this? So let the polynomial to be subtracted be p of x. Okay. Let the polynomial p of x be subtracted. Let the polynomial p of x be subtracted. So here you will get, then what you will get? Then x square plus 13x plus 7 minus p of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 4. Okay, so therefore x square plus 13x plus 7 in one bracket minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to p of x. So here you will get, that is p of x is equal to x square plus 13x plus 7 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4. So this will be equal to x square plus 13x plus 7 minus 3x square minus 5x plus 4. I have removed the bracket. So it will become x square minus 3. All the like terms you will take together. So minus 3x square plus 13x plus 7 plus 4. So this will become minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11. I hope this sum is clear to you all. Now the last sum. Which polynomial is to be added to this polynomial to get the polynomial 6m plus 3n plus 10? Let us see how to do this sum. Let the polynomial p of x be added. Let the polynomial p of x be added. So you will get then 4m plus 2n plus 3, that is the first polynomial given, plus p of x is equal to 6m plus 3n plus 10. Now what you will do, the px takes here, therefore p of x will be equal to 6m plus 3n plus 10 minus 4m plus 2n plus 3. So it will become equal to 6m plus 3n plus 10. Because of this minus sign, these signs will change over here. It will become minus 4m minus 2n minus 3. Now collect all the similar terms together. So it will be 6m minus 4m plus 3n minus 2n plus 10 minus 3. So the answer will be equal to 2m plus n plus 7. This is the required polynomial. Thank you, students.